Hello viewers and viewettes. We have the AT&T Atnt cordless digitam answering system. You can see the features here. This is a pretty nifty little phone. Came off the eBay and it seems to be well intact. We'll see about that in just a minute. But anyway, we are going to do some unboxing, so let's do this. And here's the box. Okay. So here it is. The telephone itself. Oh, it's got a lot of paperwork around here. A lot of bubbles. I am going to have to put a camera down to do the bubbles, so just a minute. I will be right back with you. Here is the cordless handset. Looks like the antenna's kind of broken. I don't think this thing can, but anywho, I'm trying to do this so y'all can see the grand opening. Oh yeah, that antenna's definitely broken. It looks broken to me. Yep. The rubber's off of it. We're going to see if I can put it intact. So far, so good. And I was hoping to find this one in white, but they have it in this, they call it midnight gray. Oh. Okay, there's the handset. Yeah, buttons. Doesn't stick too bad. Looks like this is the channel on here, and this must be the volume. I'm kind of odd that they have a hold button. It's usually these kind of things didn't have a hold button, but anyway, let's see what else we got here. And here is the base station, which is packed even more. Here is the base station. I think that's all we really have. I'm going to set this off to the side here. Oh, and here's the antenna. Okay. Which should be able to extend. Okay, looks like we got it as far as it'll go. This is how big this antenna is. It does say this is 10 channel, but we're gonna go ahead and plug in the ultimate power cord. But not before we see what else came in the box. Oh, I knew it was here. Here is the manual. Notice that it's got pictures and it's not just a text box like usual. Ooh, AAA batteries. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find some of those. Oh, this folds out. Look at that. Yep. Nice little nifty user manual. It was printed in China. I would certainly love to get this scanned and put on my computer. Let's see what else we have here. It's a little torn up, but inside this guide is some helpful information you need to know about your new cordless phone. Let's see what's in it. See, AT&T really serve their customers well. Okay. We are radios. Clarity Plus. Okay. Whew, creative, see? I'll get a stomachache here. Don't put me here, I'll get, oh, this is so exciting. I love it. Yep. Well, this one is going to be upstairs. Okay, see if it's going to... I'm curious if it's going to reference any sort of website. I don't think it will, but... yeah, it doesn't reference it. Alright. Well, I will have to get some AAA batteries, but for the purpose of this demonstration, we are just going to go ahead and plug it in. Let's see what happens when we plug it in. Oh, this adapter's pretty heavy. American Telephone and Telegraph. Okay. Here is my outlet. And here goes. Alright. I don't know why it's counting down. And it's blinking. I wonder if that's because I need to set the clock. How do we set the clock here, I wonder?
Sunday, 12 p.m.
Woo! I love that voice. Alright. Okay. Let's figure out how we set the clock to our current time. I can't even see the time because I'm recording. So for you all, I'll just set the clock off-site. And then we will see how this bad boy works. Until the next time, this was the unboxing of the AT&T Atnt cordless answering system, digitam answering machine, the 5635. And I will see you in a future installment when we will do a checkout. I'm out.